Jaguar F-PACE engine misfire? Symptoms you shouldn't ignore. Is your Jaguar F-PACE shaking, jerking, or losing power? It could be an engine misfire, and ignoring it can cost you big. If your F-PACE feels shaky while parked or at signals, that's your first red flag. Press the accelerator. But the SUV feels weak? Misfire could be the reason. Flashing light? Don't drive hard. It means the issue is serious. Visiting the fuel station more often? Unburnt fuel equals wasted money. If the car hesitates or stutters during acceleration, don't ignore it. Most common reasons? Faulty spark plugs, bad ignition coils, fuel injector issues, and vacuum leaks. Fixing a misfire early can save your engine and your wallet. Don't wait until it turns into a major repair. Follow for more Jaguar F-PACE tips.